Oh, that's great right there. I'm going to say, hey everyone, Bill Banks here. So it's June 19th, the morning of, and I am presently here with Paul of the SJ Hauk company in the First Presbyterian Church, the old one, in northern Atlantic City. The building is being demolished. Paul's company is taking care of that, and they're in the process now. They are in the early stages right now. They're removing the facade of the building. Not really a facade, it's really a straight up structural brick facing. And that facing is actually going to be salvaged and used to restore the Smithsonian Institute. What would you call it? What's the main building?
The castle.
The castle on the mall in DC. Not only is the material from apparently the same quarry, it's also from the same area in the quarry. So it's a perfect match. So they're doing that now. They're going to be soon finished that. However, after that, they're going to crush up the joint. So the reason I'm here is because this place has got history. This place used to have a functioning big pipe organ. And there are still wooden large pipes in it. The other pipes have been salvaged and removed long ago, but there's still some stuff in here. Now, I have a couple of them myself in my collection, but I don't have a need for these myself. But the call out is right now, if someone else has a need for them, a want of them, to help us get these out of here before the building's crushed, please get in touch with me immediately. Why? Because this is a time-sensitive matter. It's going to be crunched up. Now, by the way, if you don't want the pipes, you might want the material. And that's old growth, old lumber that you can't get anymore. Try getting that at Home Depot, like 200-year-old, I think it's sugar maple or poplar. You can't do it. By the way, it's clean. Yeah, you can't get clean stuff anymore. So that's it. Just figured I'd record this for posterity and put the message out. And we're just going to keep recording and just see if we can get up there. Whew, very dark in here. Very dark. Low light conditions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 pipes